Today in this video, I want to talk to you about my vision board. I have some belief in manifesting, but I am not a head in the clouds kind of guy. I'm pretty grounded. I'm pretty realistic, but there is some scientific facts behind the things that you put your mind to are going to be the things that you focus on. That's the general gist of it, and that's what I'm going for. And that was my motivation for making a vision board. Now, what is on my vision board? So it's a collection of things that I want to achieve and things that are my ideal self. So first here is health. So we all want to be healthy. We want to eat lots of fruits and vegetables. I'm a vegetarian. And so I looked up just a Mediterranean kind of salad. It looks like cucumbers and tomatoes and stuff like that. So that is something that I make occasionally, and I want to incorporate more kinds of things like this in my diet. And I think seeing this up front and center when I sit in my studio is just going to remind me every day that's what I'm needing to consume to be healthy. The next little part is cozy. I feel like if you're going to sit in a nice space and create, you want it to be comforting. You want it to have things in your space that you like. And my space is not completely put together the way I'd like it to be, but I think it would be really helpful if I work towards that and create this space to where as soon as you sit down here, creativity just kind of oozes out of you. The other thing is yoga. I do yoga. I do it occasionally right now, but I don't do it quite as often as I should be doing it. But the goal would be 30 minutes a day, 5 days a week. And I put my girl Yoga with Adrienne on there because she was the first yoga that I had found on YouTube and the one that I gravitate towards the most because it mixes in some mindfulness along with the yoga. And I find it pretty easy and pretty rewarding to do. Next, I put on here kayaking. I don't know, I've never kayaked before, but I went to this place in Dublin, Ohio, and this bridge is there. That's where this picture is from. And I saw people kayaking, and I'm like, I want to do that someday. So that would be something that I should shoot for. That is a goal. I want to, this summer or sometime in the future, go kayaking and have some adventures. And that's also what the main picture that's right in the middle is my family and I going on hikes, and we enjoy going on hikes and bike riding and things like that. So adventure is a key part of that, along with this is someplace in Cuyahoga National Forest, and I think it'd be great to go there. And just these images of outdoors and things like that really relaxes me. And I find when I'm in the outdoors, I'm really relaxed and grounded, and that's what I'm trying to bring out in this part of this vision board. Okay, the next thing, front, right, and center, is it says Platinum Life Project. Now that is the name of my YouTube channel. That's something that I want to bring some focus to, so it is right in the center. And I have almost 2,000 followers right now, but I went ahead and I altered that to say 10,000. So that's me trying to manifest like I already have it, like I already am on my way, and I'm grateful for everybody that I have here that watches me. So that's a big key part of what's on here. The next part is create, and create is a big theme to my studio. It's a big theme to my channel. It's a big theme to this vision board here. And this thing that I put in here to symbolize create is an animation project that I'm working on, so that is pretty important to me. The next thing is relax, okay? We get so uptight, we get stressed out, we need to relax. And so I looked up a relaxing place. You can see a beach view. I think I got this off Airbnb or something. I was like, where would I like to go and relax at? Okay, the next part here is grow. So like the outdoor stuff, the nature, things like that, it kind of all goes hand in hand. And so a big thing that I would like to do this summer is to work on my landscaping outside of my house and make that also a place that brings out the creative juices and make things grow and make things beautiful. And the last little thing is draw. I wanted to put that there. I think your eyes kind of go to that. I drew that in Procreate, and it was just some rough little 3D letters, but I just wanted to see that every once in a while and be like, hey, you can draw. You can take 15 minutes, you can take 25 minutes, you can draw, you can work on some of the projects that you want to make. So this is going to get posted up somewhere here within view of my computer monitor, because I end up here, here and there, and this is going to be something that I'll see a lot then. And that's the point of the vision board, and you can make these pretty easily. Like I said, I made this in Procreate so I could take screenshots off the internet, and I think that's the fastest way to get images and things like that you want. But you can also just print these out and paste these together. You can get vision board ideas out of magazines, and you can put them together any way that you think you could. But I just found it easiest to do this, and it's just gonna tape up on the wall nicely. So that is my vision board. That's the meanings behind it, and I think it's going to help me and guide me, and I'm going to encourage you to make your own vision board, to try to get the things out of the universe that you deserve, manifest those kind of things. Like I said, I'm not a total expert on it, but I think it's meaningful. So, and I hope you find this video meaningful. So if you liked it, be sure to stay around, subscribe. Peace.